Opisyal umano ng Aquino administration ang nagkaroon ng commitment sa China patungkol sa West Philippine Sea. Yan ang iginiit ng ilang miyembro ng gabinete ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Magbabalita si Marian Enriquez.
Of these two official meetings I attended, no gentleman's agreement ever took place between former President Duterte and President Xi.
Ito ang sagot ni dating Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdea, pati na dating Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana at dating National Security Advisor Hermogenes Esperon Jr. sa pagdinig ng Kamara sa umano'y gentleman's agreement sa China. Anila, 8 beses nagkaroon ng official meetings sina dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at Chinese President Xi Jinping mula 2016 hanggang 2019 pero walang nangyaring kasunduan. Si Medialdea nginuso ang sinundan nilang administrasyon ng pumanaw ng si dating Pangulong Noynoy Aquino. May nabasa raw siyang kolum na mayroong umanong commitment ang Defense Secretary ni Pinoy na si Voltaire Gazmin sa Chinese officials noong 2013 na tubig at pagkain lang ang ihahatid sa mga sundalo sa BRP Sierra Madre sa Ayungin Shoal. Pero kahit nanalo ang Pilipinas sa UN arbitration, napasok ito sa ating exclusive economic zone. Pinagpatuloy pa rin ang status quo at walang anumang repair na ginawa mula noong 2016.
Na wala pong gentleman's agreement, but there was an agreement in public of, there was a policy not to repair the BRP Sierra Madre. That is quite a revelation for me, Mr. Chair.
That was not during our administration. It was the previous administration's policy.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It was entered into in the administration of Pinoy, but it was maintained by the Duterte administration.
Giit ni Rodriguez, sana raw noong lumabas na ang arbitration ruling noong 2016 ay inangkla na rito ang foreign policy at hindi nanatili sa status quo.
Because we were towards a different direction at the time. How can we attain a good relationship with China, no? Even with the decision at hand? It was something that the former president was saying, I have this decision now. I can carry it.
Paglilinaw naman ni dating Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana, walang direktiba o anumang itinurn over si dating Defense Chief Voltaire Gazmin tungkol sa kasunduan sa BRP Sierra Madre. Giit pa niya, nag-umpisa silang magsagawa ng repair sa barko noong 2021. Bagay na gusto pang busisiin ni Congressman Gutierrez.
So 2016 up to 2021, no attempts to repair the BRP Sierra Madre.
Because there was no need at that time, probably. In 2021, there was a need to repair it.
Ayon sa DND, sa isang executive session sasagutin ang iba pang mga sensitibong detalye tungkol sa security concern. Nagmosyon na ring imbitahan si Gazmin sa susunod na pagdinig. Pinatatawag din si dating presidential spokesperson Harry Roque na naunang nagsiwalat tungkol sa umano'y gentleman's agreement. Para sa 1PH, Marian Enriquez, News 5.